Hi, in this video I am going to share you how to create a Google Ads account. If you want to create a Google Ad account step by step, this video only for you. Before starting this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Amin. I'm a senior digital marketing specialist on Fiverr and Upper. Let's go how to create a Google Ad account. First of all, you have to use this URL ads.google.com, or another way you can search write Google Ads. If you search, then you will get sponsor ad. Just click this one. If you click, you will get new interface. So first of all, you have to click. This is the impression. You can read and understand everything. You can click sign in. Sign in. Here you can see switch Google Ad account and new Google Ads account. Just click one. If you click this Google Ads this option, then you will get new option. So first of all, here you can see create your first campaign. Not need to create a first ad campaign, just skip campaign creation. Just click this one, and here you can see enter your business name. Okay, just enter your business name. I'm trying to write my business name, and I'm trying to give my website URL, and click the next option. If we click the next option, here you can see create your first ad camp. So YouTube channel, here we can link our YouTube channel. Okay, you can add your Google My Business mobile app phone number. So just link my Google YouTube channel. Just click this one, and I can link my YouTube channel very easily. Just click one and go next option, and go to the next option and just link. This is a very easy. So link is completed. Okay, so next go to the skip option. Okay, just I'm trying to go a new skip option. Here you can see view more goal types. Just click this one. Okay, if we click this option, then we will get professional switch mode of our Google Ad account. Just wait. Here you can see another option. Just click see more and skip this one. Okay, and I also skip this one. Leave a campaign creation. Okay, just click this leave a campaign creation, and you need to add your payment method. Just simply I use my payment method. Here you need to add your payment method. Go and create your account. So if you don't have a payment method, then you can go to the back option, and if you not have a, there has a no option. Here you can see no option to skip. So you must, if you don't have any payment method, then you cannot create a Google Ad account. Okay, just I am trying to submit my payment method. Here organization name, card name, billing details, and everything. Then you need to submit. So if you submit, then your payment method is active. Then your Google Ad account will be activated, after this option. So I already have a Google ad account. I just show you. So here if you I have a multiple Google ad account. I just show you. After creating Google ad account, if you click the sign in option, then you will get this option. Just go on Google ad account, and after activated your Google's ad account, you will get this type of option. Okay, so you can create a, if you click the create option, you will get multiple option of your objective of your campaign. Okay, so in this way you can create your Google ad account. Hopefully you understand how to create a Google ad account. If you want to create a Google ad account, must you have a payment method. Thank you so much. If you need any help, let me contact. I will help you because I am working as a remotely freelancer. So if you need any help, let me contact on my WhatsApp number, and other contact information you will get video description. Thank you so much for watching this video.